my name is Forum Nanavati, and today I take this opportunity to share it openly with everyone that this course is for anyone and everyone who is looking to build a very great career in cosmetics and perfumery industry, even for people like me who don't have any background of cosmetics or perfumery industry. My professional background is in marketing and business partnerships, but perfumery has always been my personal passion. Throughout a period of 1 week, the classes met all my expectations. If you're curious and if you want to know how perfumes are made, or if you want to get out in the industry, achieve your entrepreneurial goals, I would recommend you to take this course and really, achieve all your goals.
I am Kajal Deshmukh. I am working in Ora Nutrichem from past 2 years. I joined this course to learn more about cosmetics and perfumery. And now it's been 7 days. And I not only got to learn about all the technical aspects of cosmetic perfumery, but also got opportunity to network with a lot of people, contract manufacturers, raw material suppliers, and this is how I made my connect. Apart from this, I also got to learn about branding, marketing, and I mean what more you need from a course. So I highly recommend this course for anybody who is looking out for opportunities to gain expertise, do networking. So this is the best place for you to be in. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pranavi Panganuri from Sparkvi Fine Chemicals Private Limited. I'm the second generation of the organization, and our organization is into manufacturing bulk drugs, cosmetic actives, hair care actives, and skin whitening actives. So I got to know about the cosmetics and perfumery program organized by School of Manufacturing Mentogram. And I've attended this course for last 5 days. It has been such an enriching and insightful experience. We got to meet a lot of industry experts that have been in industry for more than 30-40 years. Sharing their experience and getting to learn from them was one of the best experiences I've had so far. And if Mentogram does any such programs coming forward, please do keep me posted so that I'd like to come and attend more such programs. Nowadays there are a lot of courses that do online, that do a long course programs, but a lot of practical thing is very less. But Mentogram has that unique division where they do practical experience with the theoretical knowledge also. So that was one of the plus added things. So it was really amazing experience attending the Mentogram's cosmetics and perfumery program. Thank you so much.
I am Kajal Deshmukh. I am working in Ora Nutrichem from past 2 years. I joined this course to learn more about cosmetics and perfumery. And now it's been 7 days. And I not only got to learn about all the technical aspects of cosmetic perfumery, but also got opportunity to network with a lot of people, contract manufacturers, raw material suppliers, and this is how I made my connect. Apart from this, I also got to learn about branding, marketing, and I mean what more you need from a course. So I highly recommend this course for anybody who is looking out for opportunities to gain expertise, do networking. So this is the best place for you to be in. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rupesh Pawar. I am the founder of Sourai Beauty. It has an absolute pleasure to mentor all the participants here in the postgraduate certificate program in the cosmetic and perfumery. Was organized and conducted by ICT Mumbai and Mentogram collaboration. It's a School of Manufacturing Mentogram. Basically, as the founder, as the mentor, I am here from last throughout the week, and it's an absolute fantastic program for all the early stage starters, founders who's working in the cosmetic science, perfumery, and its allied areas. Basically, it's cover all the aspects about the perfumery, then cosmetics. It's from the raw material sourcing to manufacturing to branding to marketing, and the technical details and what are the key aspects and what is the future trends. It is the main pillar of this program. And as a mentor, I interacted with the participant. The participant cohort is very fantastic, and basically it's a lot of learning as a mentor for me from this participant also, because they are from varied background from the perfumery and all those things, and I learned a lot of things. And it's a very good event for the learning, as well as main thing is the networking, and we got great experience. And thank you for this Mentogram and Hasid sir, and also ICT Mumbai professor organizing such kind of beautiful program. And it's very helpful for as a founder, for me as an early stage entrepreneur, as well as the who are coming as a participants. They learn some things, and we are interacting with from throughout the year with the different peoples. They told me one line that like I'm a bit confused about before this event, and now I'm slightly confidently confused about the Mentogram, and I can do something after the events, and I got the good networking. The business kind of people, they don't have the technical knowledge, and all the other technical people come in this event, they don't have the business knowledge. Now they have the team to work collaboratively, and this is the Mentogram ka perfumery cosmetic course give that platform to create something unique, and I hope something will be come from this 5 days workshop. Thank you so much.
This is Nitesh Garodia, and I'm the founder of Blue Tree Aroma. And I was very happy to do this program organized by ICT and Mentogram, which is PG certificate in cosmetics and perfumery. I'm here to share my experience over the last 5 days. It was a very insightful session. All the theories were covered. There are many practical sessions. The things that are important to know about the business of cosmetics, perfumery, the technical aspects, the entrepreneurial aspects, and the business aspect. So it is all a very well managed system. Nothing was one sided. It was a very multidimensional approach. Also, when it came to the kind of people who spoke in the event and the kind of people who attended the event. So all in all, I would 100% recommend for anyone who's never done anything like this before, should definitely register for it. And for the people who have done such kind of courses before, should also do it, because it's definitely gonna revive your knowledge, and more importantly, the network that you build here is some way or the other going to help you. So all in all, a 10 on 10. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Pavan Kumar. I am a startup founder of a cosmetics brand Skin 456. I recently completed a postgraduate certification program in cosmetics and perfumery conducted by ICT Mumbai in collaboration with School of Manufacturing Mentogram.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishwatej Muddu. I represent Parsha Cosmetics and Chemicals Private Limited. We are manufacturers, traders and distributors for cosmetic active ingredients, pharmaceutical ingredients, agrochemicals, fine chemicals and specialty chemicals. Certificate program in cosmetics and perfumery conducted by ICT Mumbai in collaboration with the School of Manufacturing Mentogram. So that's how I came into this program, and this program was very insightful. The 5-day program, we had very good insights in branding, marketing, and we had many mentors coming to this program teaching us about cosmetics, not only skincare, hair care and color cosmetics, etc. And it was great being over here. Apart from that, the best part was we had practicals. In the morning we had sessions and speeches by all these mentors, and in the evening we had practicals on creating sunscreens, and all color cosmetics, nail polish, where we never have that experience in other place. Even though you are creating a brand by yourself, you won't be exposed to creating your own you won't be exposed to creating a product with your hands. But here we had the opportunity to make a product by our own hands practically, and that was very great for us, and it gave us a lot of experience and a very different perception on how to create a product especially. And I thank the organizers, Dr. Hashid sir, and all the ICT members who have assisted him in organizing this session and all these 5-day session. I hope if there is another session, I would recommend other people, my friends and my colleagues, to get into this program and learn a lot more about cosmetics and perfumery. Thank you so much. Thank you for this opportunity.
I'm an industry professional from the aroma chemicals industry, and I have recently completed the postgraduate certificate program in cosmetics and perfumery held by the ICT Institute in partnership with the School of Manufacturing Mentogram. It has been an amazing experience. the insights that we have got from the industry professionals, from the mentors, the kind of things that they showed us. We had hands-on experience as well for each and everything that they lectured us upon. So it has been an invaluable insight into the industry, and also the connections that we have built here. I think they are going to last a lifetime. And the people that we have met here from the different industries, they have also been really helpful in gaining the insights from different industries. So my perspective has changed a lot. My vision has widened after attending this program, and I would seriously recommend everyone who is watching this to attend this program. If not, take your family members as well with you, so that those who are involved in the business, so that it is beneficial for the whole company.